Sheldonian Theatre Achievement Forum and Socrates Awards. The Sheldonian Theatre was built between 1664 and 1669, following a design by Sir Christopher Wren for the University of Oxford. Incidentally, Sir Christopher Wren is the same architect who designed St Paul's Cathedral in London, which is not only a magnificent cathedral in its own right, but is also the final resting place for great British heroes such as Admiral Nelson, Duke of Wellington, and Winston Churchill. It is used for university ceremonies where undergraduate, postgraduate degrees and professorship titles are bestowed each year. The Socrates Awards ceremony was held there, followed by the gala dinner at Divinity School. The Divinity School, built in the 15th century, is the oldest surviving purpose-built building for university use, specifically for lectures, oral exams, and discussions on theology, in existence.